Hello and welcome to my channel. Have you been looking for a way to place two photos side by side and make them one? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I will be using my Windows computer, and there is this application called MS Paint, Microsoft Paint, that you can use to create this wonderful picture. So let me show you how to do that. So once you are on your computer, go for the search bar and type Paint. So here is the application, Paint, as you can see. So let me import photos. So what you have to do is to go to this file, click on File, then go for Open, click on Open, then go locate where you saved that picture. Let's wait for that to come up. So here we are. So let me go look for one of my photos. Let me take this one and place it here. So once we are here, what you have to do is to drag it from here and create more white space for the second picture. Then go back here. You can see this paste, then this drop down arrow, click on that drop down arrow, then click on paste from to go get another photo. So let me get another photo and place it here. So what you have to do here, this one is very big. Don't resize it from here, because that will distort the photo. Resize it from here, then drag it up. Let's take it outside a bit, then drag it, so you can see, then take it up here. Let me take it up here. Then from here, remember, don't resize it with any of these parts or this part or this. Just use this place to resize your photo. So let me drag it back a bit, and then here, and take this one here, and again from here take it up a bit, take it up a bit, as you can see. So two of them are now one. You see, this painting was made by my nephew. This is the mother, and he made this painting out of this picture. He is 13 years old, and he started drawing when he was 8. So I created a channel for him. I will drop the link to his channel below the video on the description part. Please go support him, subscribe to the channel, like his videos, motivate him and show him some love, please. So once you are done with this, what you have to do is to go here, click on File, then click on Save As, and then save it on anywhere at all you want to save it. Your desktop, your downloads. Just give it a name. UK34. Save. So it is saved now. So let's go check it out. Remember, UK34 UK 34, that is it here. Let's see how it looks like. Coming up. So as you can see, we have just one photo here. So this is how to do this. You can add as many photos as possible, 2, 3, 4, as many as possible. Just go through the process again and master the process. So that is it for this video. Please do not forget to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on that notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be notified to come check it out. Thank you and God bless.